Mema Obibia Kwaba ever juicy news, hot news all time, latest and hot news. And I'm a bravo. Kweku Annan kanino Net2 TV wakasana watutubi edi amane Ursula Owusu ninyi ejina Ghana card hun sensema sisi ababe tuja de reaction no ebebrem na ansa na yebeko ensebnim message says so subscribe to the channel now message say best subscribe or click subscribe button no na wa belly notification no we are new video be upload no so what's ebekebi afi we na wa like video no my thumbs up na fi wa share ama ofoforo so enyibi ahwe afi yemko ensebnim Kweku Annan kanina wodini duma ewo Net2 TV ni bu Afriyie papa yengine ni Ghana card ho nsema sisi ababe to gay wana register wana sim card yengina ya register bi na sisi no de abeto mu say wo Ghana card na wo no sa card kuya wo de register sim another numbers bi asa be keka ho aye de Ghana card na register bebre ho a wana nya we na nanu ya na ye one de code short code ababe to ga a obetimi de a check ma check me de me numbers ni na ye intact numbers am use and one or bebre so ha obehwe no na numbers bi aba be kan mi ho a onya we wo sa ne ma we hu na no na ye kokko na bofu se Ursula Owusu na wonim na agu ase no oye shameful despícable woman dodi man ni sikadie basa na ye kokko na amfa wa ne ho anche otutu bi mane Ursula Owusu ene Akufo-Addo ne na ban wenu gwase a wan de agu Ghana mai da wo hwa o se sa registration and then say kofa a foreign company money be this admin Bryan Acheampong betimi aye yade they say a database they say information database information one gather nyina no e was a foreign companies you ho Bryan senka ya kura yan kasa database betimi host some information we nyina ene kokona amfa wan ho anche wo ye won pasa yan semre no ye beti kokona ne sema wode tuga a wotutu bi mane Akufo-Addo ne nabai Inti kokona ni sama wodi etuga
no ye di your mobile your phone numbers at the register Ghana card so mo kaya mo say most of the banking sector no e ko so be wo bank for no free wo musu no until say bank no betimi regularize no operate smoothly no you need to synchronize your Ghana card and your number. Okay, in many places where you have to go and do business transaction, we are just learning on Tuesday after the holiday Monday. Say a lot of people in Ashanti region, in Western region, in Greater Accra, and most of the regional capitals record and as information illuminate say. Enipa ne bebre, for example, my example say me number and as me Ghana card me ye dia register and telephone numbers maku be edu ebi so no wo de wo Ghana card na register numbers be en son ebi ye dia register mienu meanwhile some numbers no enyo mo dia o Ghana for some make amote ewura no asema me kan minim se bebre program you might have experienced this nti me number ko committee me use just one number per one and you can imagine say na me Ghana card no ye dia register numbers maku be enum abra me nim ho hwe. Now here comes the danger here that lurks around us and say it is our numbers 5 no possibility say obi dia o na nipa ne dia kwako din samoni bia they will trace it to me Kweku Annan mitna asam papa nie mo say sa asam we ye mubi kika sansem way be pain. I remember and I told the establishment to say Sadia muye in the first place. For me as a student of security and intelligence, I'll tell you say me nim nyansa e was dia muye mu in the sense that why do you even bring a foreign organization like MTN and omo na yes registration way number 1 2 womu we are data collection in and it goes into their data system. You, the government of Ghana, assuming say, monitor and my supervisory ruler. But what it means is that a foreign agent have access to that data. Abras idea making. Na anoche aswaye can I say National Communications Authority for any other state in security organizations between your carbon. Wait, a dear way, a Ghana for your shebrio. On my penina casane tom print. Let me no ye tom print e hweduma nipakuo bi ensa wo ye amanfrafo Ghana matis asem we bi da enyimfa ena man bi o me develop it say South Korea Japan no mani ade o de ma menkeka kan gron tinto wo mema kwan say even South Africa boye enye sa. So how come abroad state statutory bodies where mabobo mudin to say National Communication Authority for NIA for National Security na bi ebenye adwumakuo bi abeka including Ministry of Communication mo meka na yenye sa registration yankase yenye na ye wia yemfa data mo by which we surveillance the data so much say we have a custodian of that data obian kan ho bi na ye de ama mo de aye de som de there bi ama na sa o mo de ko wie Ursula Owusu sikadie basa Ursula Owusu Ministry of Communication and diebe won see wani megu ase you despicable shameful woman won see wani megu ase ye ka Ursula Owusu ma ye nka NIA4 so hwan musumo ma ye nka enkwase akeka anato ye ka sem ya Ghana mpanifo we moya madwini se munnim nyansa che otwe mo bebi akwie mo ene da onu enim guase sem nko na no Ursula Owusu ase akotam a proposal at the Akoto parliament say yes I am man say $200 million what the baba heading I have the document one me the baba tremon the next episode or the heading registration we kwa mo ye as minimum kase briwe Ghanaians egu kiumo a omo kwako kiu na na mo de mo need sense of shame prasa Ghana benefit na mo need conscience you don't even have a conscience just say your conscience are seared be no e bet mo de na siko ye pesiko ye kodisiko sika mo de bi di man bi su di mema di purpose Ursula Owusu o se mani magu ase mutu butu omoso ne muni ade ne nkwase akeka mfaso bi amaso hwe enye ne fe na ye de se ye ba be gira ne yakasa de ye kasa yo no but ni name no se ya yire ho so ankasa mo Ghana mpanifo ne hu se no if the last tree dies the last man dies. But if the rest of the journalists want to go to sleep, we ain't going to sleep. We're not going to sleep. Folks, it's no longer a joke. It's getting out of hand. It's getting out of hand. Dang. Ghana pro kitikit on my kitikit 30 million point one. Share NIA for National Diaben Authority, Professor Wayne, what's his name? Professor Atefa, and Atefa, any of them for Shadia Waya or Emunia Hene, Ghana Krokiti, Professor Atefa, and the Afima Kumaku saying, and what the SR registration, India Fonka saying, Indian population, Womanka saying, Nibisam. The Indian population, Yanka saying, China population is Womanka saying. Ghana penifo pa hwe mommy get serious kakra na moma journalist fo no a sebe ya ne ye pese ye kase ye boso no ye ma emra from ne ye ntinya nkase ntia mo eya no bi tie kire won tie ase na wo se nipa na won tie ase no many of you mo ye victims of what we are talking about mo we are mo friend behind the scenes na dia mo kan se Kweku ase mo fo ma no ntumo Kweku na obi friend Kweku na mo kasa Ghana penifo tie me na me kasa Ghana penifo tie mo akura mo wie so na mo sori tie ana I don't know but say bibi papa bi betimi free Nazareth abadia I don't know when and how this would manifest between you and I and our very eyes.
Yo, etifo weni ensemo ye Kweku Annan kanino wo Net2 TV or to be money eye Ursula Owusu or so ye shameful despicable woman ni nyina gina eye NI national education eye Ghana card a ho sesemi manfo so de number si Ghana card ya register other numbers ko check ya the number register bo se numbers fufuro so asa ba be kan na nuna Kweku Annan react ya or to be money eye Ursula Owusu ene Akufo-Addo de naban na wo de ensemble breed na ra etubia because juicy news subscribe like it and share video no and my Usu betimi akyerɛ wadwen afa nsɛm we nyina ho ɛwɔ comment box mu. Mobɛte minka bio in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.